You know, we here at Right Club are dedicated to bringing you the finest in online entertainment, but we know that the internet can be complicated, and getting to our events might be confusing, especially to those of us who remember when phones had cords. Don't panic, follow these simple steps, and soon you'll be surfing the net like a pro.
First, you're going to want to make sure that your computer is on. Next, you'll want to open your web browser and go to where you enter a web address.
Chances are you're already on the internet because you're watching this. So hey, almost there. The next thing you have to do is enter the web address into your browser, www.hideoutchicago.com. Or you might be able to click a link. It's probably somewhere here on this post. Don't worry, you're doing great.
Then scroll down, or up, which makes it go down if you have your screen inverted like an airline pilot, until you see this. Click the part that says Right Club, that's us! Click Tickets, you want those, which will take you to another screen that's basically the same screen you were just at, but with kicky graphics and more options. You're doing great!
Great. Now go to the Right Club tab. Are you ready to click more things? Great. Click the $10 tab. Now, don't get scared, but you're going to have to create a little account in order to get the tickets. And you should do that anyway, because we're going to do this every month, and you don't want to have to go through all this again, do you?
Signing up is easy and free and just needs basic stuff like name and email and password. Make it tricky or the Russians will get you. Once that's done, you're almost there. Next, you'll want to sign in using your brand new sassy username and password, and then you're ready to buy your tickets.
You'll notice a service fee, and that's because people need to make money, and it's only $2, so chill your shit. And if you're curious, that subscribe option takes you to a little screen that asks if you want to subscribe to Hideout and get all kinds of deals on live streaming events. If you don't, it's okay. You don't have to. Click the single ticket link, put in your card info, and that's it. You're done.
You did great.
But how do I watch it once I have my ticket? On Facebook? On OnlyFans? How?
Whoa! Hey man, you should calm down. Corbett?
Once you've purchased your ticket by clicking in all of the clicky places, you'll get a cool confirmation email, like a high five. That way you'll know that you did the thing that you just did. Once you've purchased your ticket, you now have access to the show. All you have to do is go back to the Hideout page at Showtime, go to the show under the calendar, and there it is, playing on your screen. You might want to get there a few minutes early to make sure that you're streaming without any difficulties. Besides, you already have your seat saved on your couch.
Wait, so they can watch it on Facebook?
I just said no. You have to buy a ticket, and then go to hideoutchicago.com. Go to the event under the calendar, and it's magically playing for you on your screen. Magically, because you bought a ticket.
And that's it! Now you're ready to enjoy Right Club right in your home. You'll be glad you did, but don't take my word for it.
Right Club at home is better than drinking in front of my children. Knock it the fuck off.
I'm not just a fan of Right Club, I'm also a member. Right Club at Home was so easy to use that I'm the president of it now. Wait, what? Wait, no. I did not say that I was...
It's great for you. And now you know how to get your tickets to your monthly Right Club, so you can show your family and friends that you know how to internet.